Good morning, dear children. How are you? Hope you will be fine. I am Sangeeta Bhatt, your English teacher. Today, today we will continue the chapter A Gift of Chappal, Part 2. First of all, we will read chapter sketch. There are 4 children in this story: Mridu, Ravi, Meena, and Lali. All children are very kind-hearted. Ravi is a young boy who is very merciful. This can be shown through his work throughout the story. He gave shelter to a kitten even though his family might not agree to keep it. In second part, the generosity and humanity of the children can be proved by the way they wanted to help the beggar who had not chappals and whose feet might get burned under the hot sun. As a whole, these children are very generous, intelligent, and merciful. Through the character of Ravi, Mridu, and Meena, we are reminded of the love and humanity of human heart. So, dear children, in the second part, I will summarize the story. You have seen here, children are peeping from the window, and Mridu was very excited to know who is Lali. And when they saw from there what they had seen, Lali was holding Wally in her hand very awkwardly, means in a very bad manner, whereas her music master was very comfortable with it. Then music master was producing a melodious song, whereas Lali always derailing with her song. So dear students, writer has described the physical appearance of this music master here. You can see music master has not much hair in his head, means he was bald with fringe, all black hair falling in his ears, and he wore a gold chain around his neck and ring in his finger. Then he was producing a very melodious song, and Lali was trying to do her best. Then what happened next? Amma came away from outside, and mother of Ravi, Rukmani, she was cried inside the house. Ravi sent away this beggar from here because he was coming continuously from last week and now asked him to go anywhere. Okay, then Ravi sent here to ask him to leave from here, and when he was reached in the garden in his backyard, he has seen that the beggar was resting under the tree like his own garden. Means he was feeling like this, it was his own garden. And when Ravi asked to beggar to leave from here, then he thought that the lady of this house are very kind-hearted. Why they are saying like this today? And he did not believe what their children saying, what they are saying. And again he was shouted, Amma, oh Amma. Then Ravi's mother got very angry. Okay, उन्हें बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. And then she shouted very loudly from the kitchen and said, Ravi, ask him to go from here. Here is nothing left to give him. Okay, उन्हें बोला कि हमारे घर में आप इस बैगर को देने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, तो इनसे बोलो कि यहाँ से चले जाए. Rukmani's voice was too loud and Ravi did not have to repeat the words of his mother. And then beggar told him that I will go. I just want to take rest because it is too hot outside. And he said that I have got blisters in my feet. Dear student, blisters mean bubble on skin. And he also showed his feet to children. And when the children saw the blister on the feet of beggar, they felt very pity. And Mridu whispered to Ravi, have you got any extra slipper in your home? And then she thought that he has not enough money to buy slippers. And then they decided to help this beggar. Then they started to search out in house for the slippers. इसके बाद उन बच्चों ने घर पे स्लीपर्स को ढूंढना स्टार्ट किया कि कहीं तो उन्हें कोई स्लीपर मिल जाए. Then suddenly Mridu thought that when she was arrived in her aunt's home, she had seen a pair of black slippers. I have told you about these slippers in previous video, and you can see these slippers. So Mridu thought that she had seen a black pair of slippers in veranda. Then Mridu asked to Ravi that whose slipper is this? जो black pair स्लीपर का था वो स्लीपर्स किसकी हैं? Then Ravi did not think about it. उसने नहीं सोचा कि वो किसकी हैं, and he just went there and took those slippers and gave it to beggar. उसने वो स्लीपर उठाई और सीधा beggar को दे दी and asked him to don't come here again. Then beggar was very happy and he blessed those children and went away from there. So dear children, have you seen how the children helped the beggar? So after giving the gift of chappals to the beggar, now it's time to arrival of the music master. The music master came outside and he looked around for his slipper, but he did not find. You know why? Yes, because वो स्लीपर्स वही थी जो रवि ने अभी अभी बैगर को दी थी. मीन्स वो चप्पल किसकी थी? वो म्यूजिक मास्टर की चप्पल थी. And then he called to Lali. Lali, I'm not getting my slipper. Please help me. Then she also looked around, but she also did not get. Then she rushed towards the house and she called to her mother Rukmani. और जब रुक्मणी को बुलाया उन्हें तो रुक्मणी को बहुत गुस्सा आया. She became very angry and felt very embarrassed. She looked suspiciously towards the children and asked to Ravi, "You have taken the slippers of this music master, na?" Then Mridu did not stop herself. वो खुद को रोक नहीं पाई and she accepted that yes, we have given those slippers to beggar. ठीक है, उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि जो स्लीपर्स थी वो हमने beggar को दे दी. So when Ravi was arguing with his mother asked him, "Go from here." And then she rushed inside the house and bring a brand new slippers of Gopu Mama for music master. And then she gave those slippers to music master. Now music master was very happy because he has got a brand new slippers in place of his old torn out slippers. But he was not showing his happiness. He just shows that these slippers are not comfortable for him. Means he was not comfortable to wear it. And then he has gone from there. Now Rukmani took all the children and she goes to the kitchen and she gave breakfast to all children. Then Rukmani asked to Mridu, when Gopu Mama will come back from office and he will ask for his slippers, तो then what I will say to him? मैं उन्हें क्या बोलूँगी कि I have given your slippers to music master. Okay? So dear students, आपने देखा कि इस तरीके से जो चैप्टर है ये कंप्लीट होता है. And in this chapter you have noticed two persons got new slippers. One of beggar को किसकी चप्पल मिली? उस म्यूजिक मास्टर की जो कि बहुत घिसी हुई थी. Okay? And another one is music master who has got the brand new slipper of Gopu Mama. So I hope you will understand this chapter. Read this chapter again and again. I will meet you with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.